Hello friends, this is Dr. Ankisna and welcome to my channel English tutorial. This is 11th episode of Let's Talk, in which we will understand how to convey different expressions of time. But before starting this episode, I would like to tell you something about Let's Talk. What is Let's Talk? Dear friend, it's a collection of some small spoken videos with great techniques of English spoken. Now, let's start this episode. In Hindi language, हम लोग समय को विभिन्न तरीके से व्यक्त करते हैं, जैसे कि 7 बजा है, 7 बजे के लगभग हुआ है, 7 बजे के आसपास हुआ है. Then friends, in absence of good knowledge, we are not able to do these things in English language. Then I tell you some small structures, always remember these things and you would be able to express all these kinds of expressions of time. If you want to express definite time, you will use this structure. It is plus time. For the past time, you will change only verb. That means it was plus time. To express आस-पास का समय, you will use this structure. It is plus around plus time. For the past time, you will use it was plus around plus time. And if you want to express a time in the sense of lagbhag, you will use this structure. It is plus about to plus time. For the past time, you will use it was plus about to plus time. Then how easily, if we understand these structures, we can express different expressions of time. We can understand it in a better way by the help of some examples. Let's see it. Suppose you want to say 7 बजा है, it's definite time. You will say it is 7. 7 बजा था, it was 7. 7 बजने वाला है, it is about to 7. 7 बजने वाला था, it was about to 7. 7 बजे के आसपास हुआ है, it is around 7. 7 बजे के आसपास हुआ था, it was around 7. Then friends, you are looking how easily we are expressing these sentences. These are the sentences which are very common in our day-to-day life, and I think after knowing all these expressions, you can also do this very easily. So keep on practicing, keep on thinking in the easiest possible way. Only then you can be very good in English language. I always say this, always remember this technique. Always think small and simple sentences. This is the technique. Remember this. At last, as I tell you, if you like our episodes, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it with your friend and family. Don't forget to press like button and let me know about your valuable comment. It is very much essential for me. Thank you that you looked this episode. I am really grateful to you. Be healthy, be cheerful.